Hey, so my African food has finally arrived. I have yellow gari, white gari, pounded yam, the lots of yams, yes, and some other stuff. And yes, fried, I say fried, smoked fish, smoked catfish, smoked tilapia, kuli, peanut. Oh, I missed this nkatse burger. I miss it. So yeah, it's time to cook. It's time to cook. Although they didn't bring like everything, so they didn't pack my order correctly. So I still have to wait for some things. So annoying. Right now, I don't know if I'll be able to cook this. And yes, I bought some agbalumo. I don't know if I'll be able to cook this before I go into this labor room. These people they just disappointed me, but anyways, it's all well and good. Let's see what I can make out of this. Yay! So it's time to cook. Today I'm cooking egusi soup with lots of catfish, some cow skin. This is my ugu vegetables, and this is my egusi. So the African food store that I ordered from, they still decided to mess me up, but I can't wait any longer. This is 39 weeks, and yeah, this baby can come anytime. I don't want to go to the hospital without food. So I don't want to go to the hospital without having any food in the house to eat. So I'm just going to make whatever I can with these stuffs that I received. So they're going to send the rest of my order later this week, hopefully, because this is like the second week now, and to be honest, I am very much disappointed, because at most delivery takes what, 2-3 days. That's why our African things, sometimes we behave like we're still in Africa, and it messes everything up. But anyways, I have to cook, I have to eat, and yeah. So egusi soup first. My egusi is ready, packed, ready to go into the freezer. At least this can last for some few days when we come back from the hospital. Yeah, I'm going to make some poundo now to eat with it, because I am hungry. Soup. But I thought we were doing it the other way. Put it in that flat this and cover it.
Which thing?
The flat, this one. You want to use a fork or something?
Eh?
How do you even know without choking it with something? Take the toothpick.
No, I can tell, baby.
Okay.
Still. But you can.
Remove the foil.
Yeah.
Give it some more time. Is it almost?